process was pretty fast. I had been wanting this to happen for so long, so there was nothing about it that was complicated or difficult. Ari walked us through every single step. She had a great team in place. Once we picked the design for the room, it was like all systems go. There was a schedule made, there was a plan, devised. Everything just moved like clockwork. When Ari told me we were gonna do a fireplace, I trusted her, okay? I'm like, look girl, give this room some life. If you think it need a fireplace, give it to me. But I was curious as to how it would be executed, what kind of look it would give the room, and that is probably the biggest surprise. My husband travels a lot for work, and he's always packing and having stuff scattered everywhere. So we have this really cool built-in that houses all of his stuff. We can put our pillows in there. We can charge our electronics. We can put clothing, anything we want. And then we have all of these cool doors at the top where we can also put stuff, Christmas bedding, sheets, extra pillowcases, pillows, all that stuff is up there. So that's great, love that part. There was this one piece in particular that I really, really wanted. Ari and I could not find it, and so we swapped that out with another piece that she found, which is just as good. But wouldn't you know, at the last minute, Ari found the piece that I wanted. It's in the room, it's perfect, I love it. So that is my favorite part of the room. I didn't have to do anything. The work was done for me. I was worried that, I would kind of have to maybe babysit some people or, the contractors. I didn't have to do any of that. Everybody she hired from top to bottom was so professional. They were on time. They cleaned up after themselves. So it was just beyond what I could think of. The process was very, very easy.
Mom said she was going to do her room. What did you think it was going to look like?
I thought it would look kind of boring because my mom is weird. But since you did it, it looks good.